Hi, what's the simpler method of drawing the male reproductive system? How do we do that? Um, let's start off with imagination, what we can think about. Now, we notice that there will be a penis in it. Now, let's say this is the penis. You must not be that artistic. Just make sure you draw what is sensible, all right? So this is a penis, and inside the penis, there is the urethra, and that urethra is joined to the bladder. All right, so this is the bladder. Okay, now at the bladder, there is the prostate gland. All right, below the bladder is the prostate gland. Now we have some things here. We have some ejaculating duct here. Let's just put the label. Ejaculating duct. So we have the seminal vesicle. Of course, below the bladder is the prostate. All right, so we take it poco, little by little. So from that seminal vesicle, we can have the tube elongated into the testis. Now, that tube being elongated into the testis is known as the vas deferens. All right, that is called vas deferens because the vas deferens delivers the sperm to the urethra. So we have here, okay. So notice that we have the epididymis. All right, we have the epididymis. All right, we have the epididymis, then we have the testes. All right, the testes. Okay, so this will become my scrotum. All right. So this becomes my pubic bone. This becomes the pubic bone. All right. So this becomes the penis. This becomes the urethra. All right. So inside here, this becomes the epididymis. This becomes, in the scrotum, there are some things here in the testes, all right, which we will draw for you so that you make proper illustration. This is seminiferous tubulus. All right, so this is a network of tube. Now, here is the scrotal sac. All right, so we have all this. Now, this is what we've got for you as the diagram of the male reproductive system. So these things must be available. If you want to know the function, check out the functions of all these and more. Check out our video on the male reproductive system. If you have a question, drop it on the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.